Today I'll go ahead with problems of combinations. We have two wicket keepers. Out of two wicket keepers, one wicket keeper can be selected in 2C1 ways. All of you know NCR. 2C1 is 2. 10C3 means from 10 3 terms. 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2. I want to form a team of what? 11. To get team of 11, I've selected 4. Remaining 7 I should select from others. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I'll go ahead with problems of combinations. A team of 11 has to be chosen out of 16 players. 4 are bowlers and 2 are wicket keepers. How many ways can the team be chosen? So that there are exactly 3 bowlers and 1 wicket keeper. See, there are 16 players. Among 16 players, they have divided them. They told 4 bowlers are there. How many bowlers? 4 bowlers. And they have mentioned, they have given here 2 wicket keepers. So we have 2 wicket keepers are there. And other than that, see, total 16 are there. So 6 are covered here, 10 others. 10 others I can say. 4 bowlers, 2 wicket keepers, 10 others are there. So now what is the condition? They want exactly 3 bowlers and they want you to select team of 11. So out of 16, they want you to select how many? 11. So out of 15, select 11 is the question. You need to select exactly 11. And they told that they want exactly 3 bowlers, 1 wicket keeper. 3 bowler and 1 wicket keeper. Out of 4 bowlers, 3 bowlers can be selected in 4C3 ways into. They want you to select 1 wicket keeper. We have 2 wicket keepers. Out of 2 wicket keepers, 1 wicket keeper can be selected in 2C1 ways. All of you know NCR. What is NCR? What is NCR? Selecting R from N. Selecting R from what? N. So now, out of 4 bowlers, 3 bowlers are selected in 4C3 ways. Out of 2 wicket keepers, 1 wicket keeper can be selected in 2C1 ways. And remaining 10 are there. From 10 others, we need to select. See, now 3 plus 1, 4 are over. Total, you have to select 11 players. So, in 11, we selected 1, so keeper. Remaining 10, in 10, 3 bowlers are there. So, 7 more I have to select. So, out of 10 others, select 7. So, that now you can count 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 members we have selected. 3 bowlers, 1 wicket keeper, 7 others. So, now that is equal to, simplify this. So, now our 4C3, 2C1, 10C7. 4C3 into 2C1 into 10C7. Means this is selection of bowlers, this is selection of wicket keepers, this is selection of others, total selection. 4C3 is same as I told you so many times. NCR is same as NC N minus R. So length reduces. So NCR is NC N minus R. 4C3 is what? 4C 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? 1. And 2C1 deleted B. 10C7. 10cc here. 4C3 is 4C3 minus 4 minus 3. That is 4C1. Similarly 10C7. 10C7 is what? 10C 10 minus 7. That is 10C3. So now here I can write instead of 10C7, 10C 10 minus 7, that is 3. Now simplify this. 4C1 is 4. 2C1 is 2. 10C3 means from 10 3 terms. 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Further simplify this. 3 ones are 3, 3s are 2 ones are 2 cancels. So now whatever is left out. So now 4 3s are 8 3s are 24 into, now we are left out with 4 into 3 12, 12 into 8, 12 8s are 96, total 960 ways of selecting exactly 3 bowlers, 1 wicket keeper and 10 others. Now Same question. A team of 11 you have to select. Out of 16 players and 4 are bowlers. Same situation. 2 wicket keepers. And how many ways you can do that? At least 3 bowlers are there. So you have to select at least 3. At least 3 bowlers means 3 bowlers are more than 3 bowlers. And at least one wicket keeper. At least one wicket keeper. So now the situation. So now we have 16 players. Again, in that 16 players, your game is to select how many? You are supposed to select 11 players. And 16 players you have classified as what? Bowlers. How many bowlers we have? We have 4 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers we have. Other than 2 wicket keepers, we have 10 others are there. 10 others. 10 others are there. Other players other than bowlers and wicket keepers. So now at least 3 bowlers. Means in bowlers, I'll take 3 bowlers and at least 1 wicket keeper. So 1 wicket keeper I'll select. And see, I selected only 3 plus 1, 4. So remaining I want what? I want to form a team of what? 11. To get team of 11, I have selected 4. Remaining 7 I should select from others. So this situation is what? The first situation. First situation is out of 4 bowlers, select 3 bowlers into out of 2 wicket keepers, select 1 wicket keeper into out of 10 others, select 7. This is one situation. So we'll write 4C3, 2C1, 10C7. So I'll write it here. 4C3 into 2C1 into 10C7. This is one situation. Then what is the other situation? At least, see, they told at least 3 bowlers. At least 3 bowlers means I'll take 3 bowlers only and at least 1 wicket keeper. At least 1 wicket keeper means 1 wicket keeper or more than that. I'll take 2 wicket keepers and remaining 6 here. So this is what? Out of 4 I selected 3 bowlers, but out of 2 wicket keepers I selected both, and out of 10 others I selected only 6. So because I want 11. So 4C3, 2C2, 10C6. 4C3, 3 bowlers. See, this is selecting bowlers, selecting wicket keeper, selecting others. So 3 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers and 6 others. Then at least 3 bowlers means I'll select 4 bowlers. Because I have 4 bowlers, now I can select 1 wicket keeper and 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So I need remaining how many? 6. So this situation is out of 4 I selected 4. Out of 2 wicket keepers I selected 1 wicket keeper and 10 others I select 6. So if you add, it is 11. 4C4. The other combination is what? Out of 4 bowlers, select all 4 bowlers and wicket keepers I select only 1, and in others I'll select 5. Sorry, 6. So because the sum should be what? 11. And last situation is we have, I'll select 4 bowlers and both the wicket keepers. At least 3 bowlers means 3 or more bowlers. At least 1 wicket keeper means 1 or more wicket keeper. 6 I selected, remaining 5. So out of 4 bowlers you selected all 4 and 2 wicket keepers you selected all 2 and others you selected 5. Because your sum should be what? 11. So 4 plus 5, 9 plus 2, 11. So 4C4, 2C2. Out of 4 bowlers, select all 4. Out of 2 wicket keepers, select all 2. Out of 10 people, select 5. Because total should be 11. That's all. Then I cannot select more than this. 4C5 is not possible. I have 4 bowlers, so I selected all. So now simplify this situation. So now I'll do the other side. So 4C3 is same as 4C1. This is equal to. Let me equate and simplify as much as possible. Equivalent values I'll write. So this is 4C1. This is 2C1. Let it be. This is 10C3. Subtract 10 minus 7. 4C1 is 4C1. 4C3 is 4C1. 2C2. So if both are same, we say 1. Later we'll say 10C6 is same as 10C4. And 4C4 is 1. And 2C1 is 2. And 10C6 is 10C4. Then 4C4 later we'll take, it will be 1, 2C2 will be 1 again, 10C5 is 10C5 only, we cannot simplify. No, further, see, 4C1 is 4, 2C1 is 2, 10C3 means from 10, 3 terms, 10, 9, 8 divided by 3, 2, 1. And here 4C1 is 4, 2C1 is 2, 10C4 means 10, 9, 8, 7 divided by 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 4C4 is 1, 2, 10C4 is 10, 9, 8, 7 divided by 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 4C4 is 1, 2C2 is 1, 10C5 is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 divided by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll simplify this. So here 3 1s are 3 3s are, and 2 1s are 2 cancels. Simplify whatever is left out. 10, 4 3s are 12, 12 8s are 96, 960. And here 4 and 4 I can cancel. 3 1s are 3 3s are, and 2 and 2 I can cancel. Now whatever is left out, you simplify. 8 3s are 24, 24 into 7, 24 into 7, 7 4s are 28, 2, 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 168, 168. If I multiply, 7 3s are, sorry, 8 3s are 24 into 7 I have done, or okay, 21 into 3 if you do same. 7 3s are 21 into 8, whatever, into 10, so 0. That is, further simplify. Here we have 2 and 2 I can cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s I can cancel, 4 1s are 4 2s I can cancel. So simplify. So 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 0, 280. Then 5, okay, 4 1s are 4 2s are, 3 1s are 3 2s are, again 2 2 cancels, 5 1s are 5 2s are. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 into 6 4s are 24, 24 into 7, 168. Add all this, you'll get the required value. So 900, 1680, 280, 168. You add it and get the end answer. I hope all of you understood the method. So all the possible cases, now you should add all these values. You can use calculator to calculate every value. So next we have, a candidate is required to answer 6 out of 12 questions. So there are 12 questions. 12 questions are given. Should be answered what? How many? Answered how many? 6. 6 questions. 12 questions, out of which 6 should be answered. Means out of 12 questions, you should select 6 and answer. Then which are divided into 2 parts. So these 12 questions, we have 2 parts. So we'll say part 1 and part 2. Part 1 and part 2. 2 parts. And they told, find the number of choices he can attempt. He cannot attempt more than 5. See, they told, which is divided into 2 groups containing 6 questions. 2 groups with 6 questions. First group you have 6 questions. Second group you have 6 questions. So 12 questions are divided into 2 groups, first group and second group. And student should answer 6 questions out of the 12 questions. And they gave a conditions. He cannot attempt more than 1 question, 5, more than 5 from any group. See, in first group and second group, we have 6 questions. You should answer total 6 questions. But in any group, you cannot exceed 5 questions. So what I'll do, first, in first group, we'll select 5 questions. In second group, you should select only 1. Why? Because total 6 questions you should answer. But in any group, you cannot attempt more than 5. That's why I'll take maximum 5. Or I'll take in first group 4, second group will answer 2. Or first group 3, second group will answer another 3. Or first group 5 will answer, first group 2 will answer. What are the possibilities? So I'll assume first group will answer 2. Then here I'll answer 4. Here he'll answer only 1 question. In second group he'll answer 5. That's all. You cannot exceed 5 here also. So these are the possibilities. So situation, you write them in. So out of 6, selection of 1 can be done in 6C. Out of 6 in first group, 6 you should select 5. Out of 6, 5 can be selected in 6C5. Into out of 6, 1 can be selected in 6C1. And like that. So now we will write the situation in combination. So now we have first group, second group. So in first group and second group, total 12 questions are there. Here 6 are there, here 6 are there, and you should select any 6. So first is what? 5 questions you can select here, 1 here, 4 you can select here, 2 here, 3 you can select here, 3 here, and 4 you can select here, 2 here, or 1 you can select here, 5 here. You cannot go more than this. So now this can be written as out of 6, 5 can be selected in 6C5S. Out of 6, 1 can be selected in 6C1. Then next, out of 6, 4 can be selected in 6C4. Here 6C2. Then 6C3, 6C3. Then 6C2. Then 6C3. Then 6C1 and 6C2 and 4 questions, 6C2 and 6C4. So 6C1, 6C5. So total should be what? 6 questions. 5 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 2 plus 4, 1 plus 5. Now simplify this. So this, if you simplify, 6C5 is same as 6C1 into 6C1. And 6C4 is same as 6C minus 2 into 6C2 I will write. This can be written as 6C3 equal, so 6C3. This can be written as 6C2 into 6C2 because 6 minus 4. This is 6C1, let it be simple. Again 6C5 can be written as 6C1. 6C1 means what? 6 into 6. 6C2 means 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. Again 6, 5, 4 divided by 3 to 1. 6, 5, 4 divided by 3 to 1. And 6, 5 divided by 2, 1. 6, 5 divided by 2, 1. Again 61 is 6, 61 is 6. So now 6, 6 are 36. Here 2 1s are, 2 3s are cancels, 2 1s are, 2 3s are cancels. And here we have 3 3s are 9, 9 into 25. 25 into 9, 225. You can cancel 2 1s are, 2 3s are. We are left out with 15 and 15. Then here 3 2s are 6 and 6 cancels, 3 2s are 6 and 6 cancels, 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 20 into 2400. Here 2 1s are, 2 3s are, again 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 225. 6 6 are 36. Add all. 36 plus 225 plus 400 plus 225 plus 36. Add it, you will get the answer. So sum of all these things. So therefore number of selections is equal to 36 plus 225 plus 400 plus 225 plus 36. So here 225 becomes 450, 850 plus 886 plus 36, 88636. You can use calculators. 12 1 922. So these are the possible combinations, or so many ways of selecting the questions are possible. Then from 4 officers and 8 jawans, a committee of 6 has to be chosen, and it should include exactly one officer. They told exactly one officer, not more than that. So find the number of ways. So please understand, 4 officers are there. Total how many officers? 4 officers. And how many jawans are there? 8 jawans. And out of this you have to select how many? You have to select 6. So out of this total you have to select what? 6 to be selected, and exactly one officer should be there. How can you select 6 officers? So now out of 4 officers, this is officers, I have to select one compulsory. You should include one, exactly one. Exactly one means not more than that. So 4C1 into remaining I have to select jawans. How many I should select jawans? How many jawans we have? We have exactly 8 jawans. How many jawans you should select? You have to select number of Jawans depending on required. Total 6 you need. In 6 already you selected 1. 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 select ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇನ್ನು 5 members ಬೇಕು. So that you will get select 4. So now simplify this. 4C1 is 4. 8C5 is 8 minus 5. 8C3 I can write. That is 4 into, what is 8C3? 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6 and 6 cancels. Simplify. You will get the required result. 8 4s are 32 into 7. 7 2s are 14. 1. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2, 22. 224 ways are there. Then find n if 2np3 is equal to 2np4. So 2np3 is equal to 2np4. So now here 2 cancels, np3 is equal to np4. If this is 2 into np3, then np3 is equal to np4. Then what is n? See, np3 means what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2. np4 is what? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. 4 terms. So I can cancel n minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 2. So I am left out with n minus 3 is equal to what? 1. So n is equal to what? 1 plus 3. What is n? 4. 4p3 and 4p4 both are same. That's it. What is 4p3? 4 into 3 into 2. What is 4p4? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Both you expand, you will get same answer. 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24, 24. I hope all of you understood this. I cancel 2, 2. Then np3 means 3 terms starting from n minus 1, n minus 2, 4 terms. Cancel this, n minus 1 equal to 3 and solve for n, you will get the 4. So I hope all of you understood the problems, whatever we discussed today. So please sit and practice all these things. NCR out of n, selecting R things. So based on that, we have discussed questions on this. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.